Hello students, kamalat sa online tutorial natin. So, tapos na tayo sa integration, integration of exponential functions. And then we'll proceed with hyperbolic functions na integration with hyperbolic functions. Now, more or less the same yung equation but meron lang pinagkaiba ng kaunti. Notice, sa sign, di ba, supposedly this is negative. Sa ordinary regular functions, di ba, may negative dyan. Ngayon, wala na. So, still, much of the same but check nyo lang yung mga positive and negative sign. Okay, so anyway, we have, I believe, 8 problems para dito. So again, these problems were taken from the book of Feliciano and Oy. I was able to buy mine during sa college days ko, I believe second year ata. Basta mga 10 plus years ago na sa National Bookstore, and I believe this is still available and most of the students are still actually using this one. Now, the only problem is the exercise problems actually walang solution but merong mga answer keys sa add problems. So anyway, I'm providing my solutions. Hopefully, magamit nyo to. Actually, I was able to create a compilation of solutions even sa mga even numbers nito but nawala kasi. So that was actually during sa college and medyo yun nga, handwritten pa kaya I think mas maganda din na ganito yung pinapakita ko kasi mas maganda tingnan, mas maganda yung flow ng solution. So anyway, I hope na nakatulong ako sa students. Okay, sige. So I think that's it. Continue tayo. So problem number 1, check natin. So for problem number 1, we have the integral of sine h. Ay, sorry. Integral of sine h 3x minus 1 sine h. Lah, may hyperbolic ba dito yung calculator natin? Nako, walang hyperbolic yung calculator. Sandali. Ay, meron pala. Tama, meron pala. Buti na lang. Kala ko wala kasi hindi natin ma-check yung solution. Anyway, meron pala. Sige, so we have sine h. Okay. So anyway, for this one, very easily, we can solve this one using the first equation. However, take note, instead of x, it's actually 3x minus 1. So, again, I hope by now, alam niyo na kung paano I think diretso na to no? Kasi if this is 3x minus x instead of x, then dx, itong dx na to should also be 3 dx because of the presence of 3x. Okay, so if we will multiply the whole equation by 3, then we need to have a neutralizing factor of 1/3. So I hope agree kayo na ang answer natin dito will be 1/3 and then cos h of 3x minus 1. Okay, and then plus c. Okay, again sir, saan galing yung 1/3 mo? That's again, you can use substitution. Sorry. Sorry. Basta ganito. Kasi kailangan kasi natin, tignan nyo sin h, x man yan. Now, instead of x, ang meron kasi tayo is 3x minus 1. Therefore, we need 3 dx. Okay, so we will multiply the whole equation by 3. Dapat, i-divide natin by 3. Kaya meron tayong neutralizing factor. And then you might ask, sir, bakit kailangan natin i-multiply by 3? Kasi nga, siguro ipapakita ko na lang. So, that u be equal to ito, 3x minus 1, then du should be equal to 3 dx. Okay? So, kaya sabi ko sa inyo, before we will proceed with the substitution, it's important that we multiply this one by 3 para itong 3 dx will change to du. However, since we multiply this by 3, we need to neutralize this one also by 1/3. Okay? Para hindi magbabago yung equation. Basically, we just multiply the equation by 3/3 or 1. Okay? And then with that, we can now proceed with the substitution. So this will become u, this will become du. And then based on our equation 1, sorry, based on our equation 1, integral for this one should be 1/3 cos u plus c. Yan, cos u plus c. Anyway, we will retain the original equation of u. So, magaling natin to. So, we'll write u as a function of x. So, ito yung sagot natin. Okay, so I hope okay tayo dyan. Sige, tignan natin. Yung same ba? Again na, it's up to you kung diretso na kayong lalagay ng neutralizing factor. I'll be honest, during sa college days ko, sometimes, shortcut ba, and then usually magkakamali kasi nakalimutan. But ang maganda, you can actually check kung tama ba yung sagot mo or hindi using your calculator. So, tama naman. Okay, so proceed tayo sa, I think that's it. So, if you have any question or clarification, comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video, which is problem number 2.